How about you? I'm Hank. Welcome to Hamiltonville Farm. Today we're going to show you an easy way to move fence posts using the Mahindra 4540 and a post hole digger. Okay, let's go. You've seen this in other videos. You've actually seen me doing fixing this little hump so that my buddy comes through with his camper. And so this is what we were talking about, this post right here. I want to move this because the distance, now he can get in and out of this thing, but it's pretty tight. So I really want to show you, I want to move that so that he can get in and out with his camper with kind of less stress, especially if he's going to come in or they're going to come in at night, you know, and it's kind of dark or rainy or whatever. Just kind of give them a little more luxury. I think the distance between that's about 12 feet, something like that, maybe 11 and a half, but I'll make it just a tick wider. I've got room. You can see I've got room to move it over here. So I think that's what we're going to do. You can see that's pretty tight right there. I mean, that is tight. Whoa, 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 whoa! Man, you can really tell that's why we, holy cow. I mean, it'd been another coat of paint on that thing and we'd have had an accident right there. I'm telling you, we're going to get it moved over, and so it's going to be really cool once we get it finished. But I'll get the Mahindra 4540 down here with the auger on it, and we'll get that pole moved, get them a little extra peace of mind. I guess that's a tight fit, you know, and so we'll give them a little extra peace of mind getting their trailer in and out, you know, especially in the inclement weather like I mentioned earlier. Hey, let's go ahead and get started and get this fence post moved so that they can get in and out. Got the Mahindra 4540 down here, and I'm gonna try something. I always see people lifting posts out of the ground from the front, like with their bucket loader and all that stuff. Well, I'm gonna try something today just to see if it works. I'm gonna try to turn my tractor around, strap this to the auger that I've got onto the 3-point hitch, and then lift it with my 3-point hitch and see if it works. Why not? I mean, I've never tried that before, right? We're trying something different. Get this thing opened up, move it over. And my buddies will have a easier time getting in and out.
I don't know. You think it's gonna work? We'll see. I think you need to go around it one more time. Yeah, lowered it first. I don't think it's gonna work. So maybe if you had a like drilled a hole through it and then put like a big bolt or something, or a piece of iron through it. Yeah, there's nothing for it to catch on. What do you guys think? Think it's gonna work? Oh my gosh, it's moving. So it's moving. It's definitely moving.
It'll work if I can strap it right.
Why don't you take a shovel and clean out the top?
It's coming out. I just gotta keep this secured to the post, you know? If I can keep that tight, it'll
That
work.
came loose right there.
Huh?
That came loose right here. So you need to like connect, once you hook it back to itself up here on this thing.
Well, this will catch this.
Or yeah, that. But that's where it got slack. All right, what's plan B? The shovel?
I ain't digging that thing. No, we'll strap it to the, I'll figure it out.
Oh my goodness. Forward just a little. All right, right there. All right, let me get out of the picture here. That's better than post hole diggers. I said that's much easier and better than post hole diggers.
Yeah. So really, when you're doing something, I mean, we're only putting it like 2 feet in the ground because it's seriously, it's just enough to put a chain to. So I don't care that this hole is level or whatever.
Or that it has concrete.
Yeah, I don't care about it. It doesn't.
I really had my doubts if that had concrete in it.
Yeah,
I
it's got
didn't see
concrete in
any.
it. You hear it?
Oh, okay. That's probably when we did dry concrete, not much water, because we're way down here where there's no water source.
Maybe.
Probably a bucket of water. Hey, but it's worked for like 3 years,
yeah,
right? It
yeah.
just secures the gate. That's all it does.
So we'll put this on here. Get it. You know, today, did you say it was my birthday a while ago?
I did.
I'm doing a lot of grunting on my birthday.
I know. But you're doing awesome.
I love you, baby.
I don't think it's deep enough.
I don't think it's deep enough neither. Look at that post, y'all. Think that's deep enough? All right, let's go a little deeper.
Yeah, there it goes. Much better.
Much better. What a fun little video. You know, it's such a simple process, and literally there's 1,000 different ways. So we really just tinkering is what we're doing. You know, just trying to use the post hole digger, trying to you know see the best or different ways to do things. You know, the simple thing would be.
If you don't have an auger for your tractor, you need one.
You need an auger for sure.
I can't tell you how many times we have used that thing.
There we go.
Oh yeah.
That looked gooder. And seriously, I'm not going to put any concrete in this hole neither.
Never know, we might need to move it again, huh?
Alright, close enough for government work, as they say.
Why did they say that? Let's stick the level on it one more time. Look at there.
Look at that. Almost like we planned it that way. Yeah, so if you're watching this video and you're like, what's that knucklehead doing? We're messing. Yeah. Look at that. You know, sometimes it's just fun to do work on your tractor, you know. But if we did this for a living, we'd be more prone to do it the most proficient way. But since Gina's paying my bills.
What, by using concrete in the hole? Be careful.
That thing can sneak up on you. Alrighty, that's done.
Now let's see what the gate looks like. You have to like a 5-foot chain to close the gate.
This was an easy, fun little project that we needed to get this gate entry just opened up a little wider for our buddies with their camper. And so we were able to do that, and we were just kind of goofing off to help them out. So now that we've got it wider, he should be able to get in and out a little easier, you know. It's always kind of fun to help your neighbors and your friends. So anyway, I appreciate you watching. Hopefully this gives you some ideas about how to use your tractor in an auger or post hole digger. So if you like this type of videos, we appreciate you subscribing and just kind of tagging along in our community, I guess you'd say. Me and Gina would appreciate your support. That little white barn has popped up by now. If you click on that little white circle, it'll take you to our subscribe page. We'd appreciate that. And we've got tons of videos that you can watch of us doing life here at Hamiltonville Farm. Okay, you guys take care. We'll catch you on the next one.